Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I have with English. Let's learn daily sentences. हे कोणाचे आहे? Whose is this? Whose is this? मी आता कोणाला विचारायला पाहिजे? Whom should I ask now? Whom should I ask now? तू कोणती औषधे घेतो? Which medicines do you take? Which medicines do you take? दरवाजावर कोण आहे? Who is at the door? Who is at the door? किती विद्यार्थी तिथे अभ्यास करत होते? How many students were studying there? How many students were studying there? तुझा आवडता अभिनेता कोण आहे? Who is your favorite actor? Who is your favorite actor? तो कोणासोबत आला? Whom did he come with? Whom did he come with? या फळांमधील तुझे आवडते कोणते? Which among these fruits do you like the most? Which among these fruits do you like the most? हा कोणाचा पेन आहे? Whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? तुला माझा नंबर कसा मिळाला? How did you get my number? How did you get my number? तुम्ही कोणत्या म्युझियमला भेट दिली? Which museum did you visit? Which museum did you visit? आज रात्री डिनरला काय आहे? What is for dinner tonight? What is for dinner tonight? तू कुठे कार पार्क केली? Where did you park the car? Where did you park the car? पार्टी कशी झाली? How was the party? How was the party? आज तारीख काय आहे? What's the date today? What's the date today? Like, share and subscribe.